It's time for Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather, brought to you by Command Family Medicine, Heating and Air Paramedics, and Taylor Grubaugh Chevrolet. Here's your host, meteorologist Abby Dyer.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to your Wednesday. It is July 30th in the Ozarks, and once again, we are under a heat advisory for nearly everybody. Heat index values today near 110 degrees, but I have some good news this morning, and that's that this is the last day of the heat advisory. I expect these heat headlines to be dropped as we head into Thursday and Friday. Today, though, we'll hold on to it, and we're off to a warm start already. Temperatures are in the mid 70s to start this morning. This is the last day of a heat advisory, and there are rain chances returning to our forecast with a cold front that starts to push into the Ozarks this evening. Key messages for you today. Heat, it's going to be dangerous, and it continues today with heat index values from 100 to 110. It's our very far eastern counties that have seen that extreme heat warning. This is for places like Shannon County, Oregon County, into the boot heel of the state. That's where we have the even more extreme heat index values near 115. But cooler temperatures return for us tomorrow with a cold front, and it comes with a rain chance as well. So that is going to be welcome in the Ozarks. We have shower and thunderstorm chances that return this evening, I think after the evening drive time. And then really the best chance is going to be after 10 p.m. tonight, lasting through the overnight hours and through early parts of Thursday as well. It's kind of going to be nice to get a rainy day. We won't see an extreme drop in temperatures tomorrow, but it will be cooler, of course, because of the rain added in the forecast. Of course, the additional cloud cover going to help keep those temperatures down as well. Want to mention that with these showers and thunderstorms, there could be the potential for a few on the strong side. Showers and thunderstorms with heavy rain and gusty winds look possible. We are also talking about cooler temperatures returning for the end of the week into the weekend forecast. So we're going to hold on to these cooler numbers, not just on Thursday, but Friday looks fantastic. And we're going to see a cooler pattern with us for the weekend also. So the forecast plays out like this. Today, we're in the upper 90s, but it's the last day of heat and humidity that's this extreme. We'll then see shower and thunderstorm chances that look pretty good as we head into Thursday as well. Temperatures dropping to the mid 70s and low 80s. Far southeastern counties may stay in the low 90s just because it takes the front a little bit longer to get to you folks. You may wait on the rain chances a little bit longer. And then we'll all feel the effects of the cold front on Friday with temperatures falling back into the upper 70s and low 80s. We also have very low relative humidity in the forecast for Friday and Saturday. So it's also going to feel great to cut some of that out of the air. Around the country, what we're talking about is an excessive rainfall for the southern and central high plains today. There's also prolonged and expansive heat happening for the southeast. I've been telling you about that for the last couple of days, along with the East Coast. They are going to see that peak midweek, and temperatures back off for them for the weekend as well. In fact, cooler weather is on deck for much of the country this weekend, and we are going to get that relief here in the Ozarks as well. All right, it's time for the Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather Brain Twister trivia question. This is the one I left you with yesterday. Which of these conditions is most likely to occur when the air's relative humidity reaches 100%? Do you think it's A, clear skies, B, fog or precipitation, C, strong winds, or D, high temperatures? Which of these conditions is most likely to occur when the air's relative humidity reaches 100%? Well, we talked about this yesterday, and it's all about how much moisture the air can hold. And if it gets to 100% relative humidity, that means water is now condensing on air particles. So you would get B, fog or precipitation. So congrats if B was your choice. All right, here's the quiz question that I'll leave you with for tomorrow. What is the name of the instrument used to measure relative humidity in the atmosphere? What comes in handy on a day like this when it's hot and sticky outside? Do you think that's A, a barometer, B, a thermometer, C, a hygrometer, or D, an anemometer? You can submit your guess at the website. That's aroundtheozarks.com. Thanks to Command Family Medicine, Heating and Air Paramedics, and Taylor Grubaugh Chevrolet, keeping us safe on the roads, in our homes, and keeping us healthy this time of year, too, as summer colds are springing up across the Ozarks. I'll be back to chat with you first thing tomorrow morning.